Hi, Kim here from Keep Fit with Kim with another 15-minute walking workout for you. Please just check around your workout space that there's nothing you're going to stand on, trip over or bash into. You only need the space of a fitness mat, so just check that you can just swing your arms forward and back or side to side. Okay, let's do that with the arms. We're going to lift the heels in a jogger's walk, swinging the arms as high as is comfortable for you. So you might have a very little movement here. If you know you're going to struggle to get to the end of the workout, keep it small here. If you're getting quite fit or a little bit fitter, you might want to make that movement a bit bigger, come right up onto the balls of your feet, swing those arms a bit more, but keep the shoulders relaxed. Let's go with some bicep curls instead. So foot movement stays the same. Well done. Just working through those feet. Make it smaller if you need to. Just concentrate on the arms maybe. But keep those knees moving. Let's take that to a march. So again, you can just have a little low march, or you can make it a bit bigger. Your body, your workout. Try and keep the feet as soft as you can. Well done. Let's take it to 2 side steps. So 2 steps to the side and back. I'm going to change that in a moment. Just swing the arms gently. Very gentle bicep curl. Well done. Okay, next time on the end, we're going to 2 and march for 4, 3, 2, 2. 4, 3, 2. You need to start the march on the inside leg to be on the right leg to move. So you're going to tap march 2, 3, 4. Side step this leg, march 2, 3, 4. So really testing your brain a little bit here as well as your body. Don't worry if you haven't, just shuffle your feet. Doesn't really matter. But if you want to get it to work to the beat, step, step, tap, march 2, 3, 4. Step, step with a tap, march same leg. Well done. Doing great. Really doesn't matter if you're not quite doing the same thing as me. Well done. Keep marching through the gap. Catch the beat, marching. Right, left, right, left. Don't worry too much if you're on the wrong foot, but if you follow me, it will make it a little bit easier. Shoulders relaxed. Keep that head up. You don't need to look at your feet. Keep breathing in through the nose and through the mouth. I'm going to change that to 3 and a tap. 1, 2, 3, toe tap. So you have an option if you want. You can make that bigger, step back, knee lift, or keep it as a tap. So again, you choose what you want to do, what's right for you. You want to make it harder at an arm. So what I'm doing with my arms, taking them down and up. Less space means you need to. Try and stay facing me all the time if you can. So your easier version, if you're out of breath, you want to make it gentle, is here. Harder version. Do what feels right with the arms. I'm touching my shoulders, reaching up, and doing a little bicep curl. Might take a little bit of getting used to that move, so do what feels right with you. Maybe just reach the arms up and down. If you want to make it even harder, you can take the arms just up and down. That doesn't work for me very well. I seem to lose the beat with that one. Well done. Let's march it through. Right, left, right, left. You'll take the feet a little bit wider. So wide is as wide as is comfortable for you. And again, you can keep it here for the movements, or make it really wide, lift the knees. These arms moving, shoulders relaxed. Nice big gap between the shoulders and the ears. Well done. Feet are now turning slightly out, knees are following. Knees and ankles, I meant, should be nice and comfortable. 2 in, 2 out, take it in, wide, wide. In, wide, wide. In, wide, wide. Add some arms if you can. This is the brain teaser if you don't know this move. Stick with that, you can lose the arms, or we can make it a little bit harder. We're going to go forward, wide, wide, together at the back. Wide at the front, together at the back. For those that want to jump, I'm not going to jump. I like my workouts to be all low impact. But those that maybe want to add a tiny bit of impact work, that's fine. Ready to march on the spot. And right left, right left. I'm going to turn now slightly to the corner. You're going to move with what space you've got. Let's go 4, 3, 2 and a tap. We're going to march forward for 4, back for 4. So 4, 3, 2. You're going to go with what space you've got. So if you can only go diagonally, or straight across your mat, that's fine. Let's change direction. So pick a space you've got. You might need to walk a few further back in order to get space to go forward. That's fine. The idea is you can do these workouts in the space of a fitness mat. Well done. Keep those feet moving. Catch the beat, taking it to a little side step now. So as usual, it's your choice. You can keep it really small, particularly if it's going to hurt your ankles. If your ankles are a bit weak, keep it small. If you're slightly more experienced and your ankles are nice and strong, start taking it to a side step. Well done. For your body, your workout. Think about pulling that belly in. Well done. Just play little side arms. You can slap them against your legs if you like. I'm keeping mine a bit quieter. It's nicer for you on the recording. Take it to the other side. So if you need to shift along a little bit to have some space, that's fine. And don't worry if you haven't got it, just keep those feet moving. Other side. Just face the arm this time. I'm here touching my shoulder now. Keep that arm as high as you can. Of course, if that's too much, take it lower. That's fine too. For those that want to challenge themselves, last 4, 3, 2, other side. So if that's too much for your arm, if it starts to ache, just swing it down. Well done. Aim is to get through the whole 15 minutes. And if you're finding it too easy, just make the movements a bit bigger. Add the arm movements. Let's change. Both arms if you can, but this is optional. Other side. And you start to feel any tension in your arm. Let's change sides. We're going to take an angle this time. Again, options. If you don't want to have that arm as high, keep it low here maybe. Other side. Well done. Change. 3, 2, and change. Well done. And change. Let's lose the arms for 2, and back for 2, for 2. You're doing great. Let's go for singles. A bit like a double side step, but on the off count. Hold it here and tap into the toe. Little knee bend in between. The lower you make that bend, the harder it's going to be. You bend and tap with the toe. Lifting onto one foot, tapping the other toe. So you can keep that really small if you want. If you want it here, that's fine too. Doesn't want to make it harder, let's get some big arms. We're coming to the middle of the warm-up now, or the workout even. You should be nice and warm. Kicking the heel towards the bum. So you have a choice again. This is your heel bum, or just tapping to the side. Well done. Just kick it out. Just marching it through. You're going to start to bring the body down, cool down a little bit. Bring the heels in front. So little heel digs. Stay facing me. I'm just turning so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm not doing really strong bicep curls now. I'm just letting the arms relax. Pause here, we're going to take the right leg out and in, out and in, out and in. Now if you want, you can bring a little knee lift up and take it out to the side and up, out and across. But if you don't, just bring it out and in, out and in, out and in. But keeping the arms low, really working that hip muscle, again to help you balance. Let's change sides. If you didn't get that change over, that's not a problem. Just catch up when you're ready. Really doesn't matter if you're not on the same beat of the music or if you're on the off beat, fine. More important that you just get some workout for your body, improve your strength, improve your cardiovascular capacity. Couldn't say that one today, could I? Let's take it back to a toe tap together. Keeping those arms nice and relaxed, but keep them moving. Try and really relax your shoulders. Taking the foot across now, toe tap across, and heel dig in front. You've done really well today. Take the toe taps out to the side. Again, arms are nice and relaxed, or shoulders at least. Just swinging the arms gently, elbows relaxed. Well done. Heel digs in front. Take that to toe taps. Now I'm going to change it slightly. Try and pull your belly in and not arch your back as you take the foot behind. So you might want to lean forward slightly. It makes it a little bit easier. Feel a little squeeze on your bottom and your bum. Okay, you can tell I'm English. I use different words. I know a lot of you watching this are in the States. I'm going to use the terms I'm used to. Take it out to the side. Let's finish with a stretch. I'm going to get you to take your feet a little bit wider than your hips. Take the right foot back, both feet are pointing forward. We're going to lift up onto the toe. So by lifting up onto the toe, we're going to make it a lot easier to have your foot in the right position. Quite often the foot turns in and that's very difficult then to put your heel down. Now push that heel all the way to the floor. Look at my position. My knee is above my ankle. Leg is straight. Fairly straight line, so my lower back is relaxed. I'm not arched back, I'm not folded forward. You can put the hands on your legs if you want, that helps balance a little bit. If it's a little bit too hard, obviously your foot's going to be here. If you're really flexible in your hamstrings, in your calf even, you're going to have that heel a lot further back. Somewhere that's comfortable. Watch you're not pushing too far forward. Feel what's going on with your knee. That knee should be, you should be able to see your toes, it should be lying forward. Beautiful. We do exactly the same on the other side. So taking the foot back, put the heel to the ground and lift and lower. So you're going to do it where your heel touches the ground. We're trying to keep the knee roughly above the ankle, somewhere between the ankle and the toes, not overshooting. Well done. Now push that heel down and lean into that stretch. I need to come a little bit further forward to get a stretch this side. Well done. And relax. A little shake out. Great, you've made it to the end of the workout. It's been lovely to be working out with you today. See you next time. Bye for now.